All right, so this is for your homework help for tonight. You can go back and rewatch this, okay? Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, okay? Where, of course, your m is the slope and your b is the y-intercept, okay? Your m, in order to find m, you use rise over run. And in order to find b, it's where the line crosses the y-axis. Oops, y-intercept. Where a line crosses the y-axis. Okay. So we're going to look. Sorry. So we're going to use our rise over run to find points on the line. But the first thing that we do is label. So step one is label. So we label first. We're going to label our M. And we're going to label our B. Okay. Which one of these numbers or which one of those numbers is M and which one is B? Which one is M? M is 3. How do you write 3 as a fraction? 3 over 1. So that you can label the top number as rise. What do you label the bottom number as? Run. Which one of those numbers is going to be B, your y-intercept? Negative 1. Any questions about how to label? Any questions about how to label? All right. See if you can label number 3. I'm not finished, but I want to make sure that we understand labeling. Please label M and B in number 3. Please label M and B in number 3. All right. What's my M in number 3? Negative 4. How do I write negative 4 as a fraction? What do I label my 1 as? Run. What do I label my negative 4 as? Rise. What's my B? Positive 1. Any questions about the first step, which is to label M and B? Second step. Your second step is to use your slope, is to graph your y-intercept. So you're going to graph B. Okay? You graph B. B is your y-intercept. So I'm going to make sure I make this a little bit darker. Let me see if I can find my marker. Okay. All right, so we're going to find negative 1 on the y-axis. Okay? The y-axis is this. This is the origin here. Go down 1. This is where you start. You're going to use your rise over run to put points on the line. So from here, rise 3. So I'm going to go up 3. 1, 2, 3. And to the right 1. 1. Put your point here. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to go up 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to run 1. Put your point there.
Are we running negative 1?
We started at negative 1. I'm going to rise 3 again. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to run to the right 1. I'm going to rise 3, 1, 2. I ran out of space. How, Ms. Reyes, do you put points in the opposite direction? Then you do it backwards. Instead of rising, going up 3, go down 3. Instead of running, going to the right one, go to the left one. Do it backwards. Down from here. 1, 2, 3. To the left, 1. Down. 1, 2, 3. To the left, 1. Down. 1, 2, 3. To the left, 1. Now you connect your points. Let's try 3, sorry. Anybody still writing 2? Okay. Hannah, let me know when you finish. Let's do number 3. The second step, we're going to graph B, and I'm going to relabel. I'll make this darker. I said relabel, but I meant to say make it the X and Y axis darker. Okay. So now I'm going to find B on the Y axis. Graph B on Y axis. Maybe I need to be a little bit more precise there, just in case you forget. All right, so we're going to find, which one of these numbers is B again? Positive 1. So start right here at the origin and go up 1. This is where I start. Right here. Put my pencil here. Now I'm going to use rise over run to put points on the line. It says rise -4. Is that up or down? Down how many?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Positive 1 is to the right 1. Put your point there. Do it again. Go down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Positive 1 is to the right. Go down. 1, 2, 3, and you out of space. Now I got to put points in the opposite direction. So instead of going down 4, go where?
Up 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, and then go where?
Up again?
No,
To the left.
to the left 1. Up, 1, 2, 3, 4, to the left 1. Okay, that's how you do it. Any questions? Are you okay? Riley? You sure? Adam, are y'all okay? Jamie?
The fraction.
Fraction, you need help with the fraction? Okay.
The fraction one.
Fraction one's going to be a little easier because now you don't have to make a fraction. It's already a fraction. So first is to label your M and your B. What's your M in number 4? -1 over 2. Top number is your rise. Bottom number is your what? What's your B? +5. Do you see it? Make your X and Y axis a little darker. The graphs that's on this one is not very nice. Yeah, I can't even read those numbers. It was no point in them putting them there. Yes, baby? Thank you. Okay. Riley, does that make sense? Okay. All right, so now you're going to find 5 on the Y-axis. Start at the origin, go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is where we start. It's your starting amount. From here, where am I going to go?
You gonna go down 1/2 of it?
Mm-mm. What's my rise? My rise is -1. Is that up or down? Down. Down 1. My run is +2. Is that to the left or to the right? Right. 1, 2. Put your point here. So it's down 1, right 2. Down 1, right 1, 2. Down 1, right 1, 2. Down 1, right 1, 2. Down 1 and right 1, 2. Brayden, what's wrong?
I just confused.
You just used? You said, are you confused?
I said I'm just confused.
Oh. Do you understand that rise is up and down
Yeah.
and run is left to right?
Yep.
So if rise is a negative number, is that up or down?
Up.
Negative?
No, I said up.
I know.
Yeah. So
I know. Up is positive, down
Yes.
is negative.
yeah.
No, up is up and down is down.
Okay?
What?
Don't listen to Riley. You know how he gets sometimes. All right, so now we going backwards instead of going down 1, go up 1, and to the left 1, 2. You're just working backwards, baby. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Until you run out of space. All right, now all you got is just 2 to do on your own. So you can try those 2, okay? All right.